all to new. I thought that when they first came out with the layering stamps, to me that was revolutionary. I hadn't seen anything quite like that, where you took ink and you layered on the same image until you created depth and shading, all the things that you'd have to think a lot about to achieve. That's interesting to me. They're like the foremost floral layered stamp company out there. I've seen a few others that have picked up on it, but it's like they were pioneers for it from what I can see. They took something people have been doing for a long time and did something different with it. And I also like the layered dyes. You can do the same thing, just get different shades of the same general color. And then I've seen some people who've actually put a different color, like in the darkest one, and made it even more depth by not using just exactly that same like red. They might put some green or something you wouldn't expect in it that would change the look there. So it just gives you room for something experimental, something else to try.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.